The United States Army is now experimenting with a new life-saving technique called skyhook, developed by Connecticut inventor Robert E. Fulton, Jr. This new method of rescuing stranded personnel has been used by the Navy for several years. Early in 1964, the Army, during exercises at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, used the technique to lift 35 men, including 2 Special Forces generals. Skyhook works like this. A rescue plane, once it locates the stranded victim, sends a 400-pound do-it-yourself kit drifting downward by parachute. The bulky package is buoyant enough to float if it lands on water. It contains a cylinder filled with helium and 500 feet of woven nylon line. A suit is attached at one end, a balloon to the other. The man to be rescued must be in good enough physical shape to do a few simple tasks. Put on the suit and inflate the balloon with helium. Once the bag rises to the full length of the line, the rest of the operation begins. The rescue plane, a specially equipped caribou with a V-shaped fork on the nose, drops down to 450 feet, zeroing in on the nylon line. The fork on the plane's nose guides the line into a locking device. Although the plane is moving at 150 miles per hour, the man being rescued is lifted with less of a jolt than the force of a 6-foot jump. The man goes up almost vertically before he begins tracing a curved path into a position somewhat below and to the rear of the plane. The relative gentleness of the takeoff and the curved trajectory result from the interaction of several forces. The elasticity of the woven nylon, which absorbs shock as it lengthens, the man's weight and air resistance, and the speed and altitude of the plane. Within 5 minutes of liftoff, the man is hoisted aboard the plane. The operation has been a success. Air-sea rescue capability has also been demonstrated as work on the air-ground skyhook technique continues.